I found a love
Hello everyone, I'm
for me.
ฟ้าใสแอปโดนัท
Today we're gonna solve the problem about convolution in
From the first problem they asked about unit step function by integral convolution solving. For the first step, we draw a graph of unit step function and impulse response function, and then we choose to flip up impulse response function to be this and combine with a unit step function. So if you got this graph, and then we use the manual solution for solve this problem by using a convolution equation, and then we summarize an equation by substitute 1 in the unit step and substitute exponential equation to the impulse response, and then we summarize equation, then we get this answer. From the problem, they give us a variable of L equal to 1 and R equal to 2. Then we substitute this in the equation, so we will get this final answer. We will tell you more detail about coding from the MATLAB program.
For the second problem, ask about the current by input Vt equal Ut minus Ut minus 2. By the second problem, we separate into case. For the first case, in case of increasing interval. For the increasing interval, we get the answer as the same the first problem. And second one, for the decreasing interval, we get the intervals in terms of 0 to 2 by we substitute x tau equal to 1 and impulse equal to exponential. After that, we solve the equation and we get the answer with this.
In the part of MATLAB coding, we declare the used variables here, which are time, resistance, inductance, and some function that we have to use, which are impulse function, which is here, and the unit step function is here. So we separate two calculation. The first we using convolution function, which is CONV, as you can see here, two function, and then we put another code here, which is the manual code. We write it manually, and then we compile and run together to plot the graph. As you can see, this is for the first problem and the second problem. The graph that was plotted by the equation that we make manually and from the MATLAB function are the same. The areas of this, the first problem is more than the second problem because the time interval is larger.
Bye!
Thank you for your attention.